Webinar moderator Jay Knott summarizes the key points from the June 26th Urbanization introductory webinar to our 5-part series. Join the Security and Sustainability Forum to get free access to this webinar and our complete archive of webinars. It's the main reason to join the Security Sustainability Forum, and membership is free.
I just want to take a few minutes just to provide some summary points. And I just wanted to reflect on some of the themes I think that are most important in this, again, this introductory session to our 5-part series. I really want to focus on something Judy talked about, and that's resilience. Judy framed it in terms of resilience to disaster, but I think we can use resilience as a continuing theme around which cities are going to have to really develop their capacities. Susan and Jeannie talked about important choices that cities are going to have to make in terms of how they develop and what that will mean, again, in terms of their ability to be resilient in the face of population growth. Whether it's energy, food security, these are becoming increasingly and primarily urban issues, even though we think about them in global terms. Blair pointed out really the importance of governance and how governance will be essential to dealing with the wave or the stream of urbanization. We're going to have to find ways to deal with new populations coming into confined spaces, promoting progressive, accepted urban diversity, a way for people to get along. As Susan Hill pointed out, that's going to be a complex question given particularly in slums, which is where many new migrants to cities end up, are places that are naturally insecure. They lack for so many different sorts of resources: water, sanitation, health facilities, oftentimes readily available transportation to jobs. While they also present, of course, opportunities, which is what brings people to cities in the first place, again, finding a way for cities and for their populations to be resilient is going to be a continuing challenge. Carlos, again, pointed out really the need for increased study, better data on what's happening. We think about cities as sort of complex organisms. How is it that we can change their behavior? Can cities consume less? It seems if we really want cities to have a lower global footprint, that's going to have to be a research question going forward in the future. Those are the summary points that I really wanted to point out.